Hey, Edgars from Funneltopia here. I wanted to quickly show you that now you can collect partial payments upfront when booking a call. Obviously, you can do paid appointments, right? Let's say it's a $50 one like this one. Under calendars and then in calendar settings, you can, let's just find the paid coaching session as an example. Just create a new one, edit, and then this is a $50 appointment, right? So if you go to under forms and payment, you have the option to accept partial payment over here, right? So this option will only show up if you have set it up as a paid appointment, obviously, and also you need to have like Stripe connected to it. So, or whatever payment processor you have, obviously that needs to be connected as well for you to get to this point. And here you see you have two options. You can do like deposit amount, like $15. So out of 50, or you can do percentage, which would be, in this case, 30% or whatever it is. Obviously, this could be, if it's like a $50 one, it's kind of like treated as a deposit. If it's $50, maybe it's not as common, but if it's like, something you charge larger coaching fees, this might be a good, like an incentive for people to show up, and then they cover the rest on site. And now if we save it and let's go take a quick look what it looks like in real life. And now, as you can see, when you're trying to book a call, this partial payment, this deposit, whatever you want to call it, it's going to show up here, right? Once they select, let's go back. Once they select what time they want to do the call on, you can see it over here. Just kind of being transparent about it up front. You're taking the partial payment, and yeah, cool little feature. Again, as I said, maybe not for smaller payments, but like if you're charging 500,000, 5,000, whatever your coaching fees are, this might be a good little additional feature. So make sure to go check that out. It's under calendars, and then calendar settings. If we go back, let's just go completely back. Yeah, calendars, and then calendar settings. Click here, and then you have your list of calendars, and you can edit the one that you want to edit, which in this case, you click on here. So that's about it. If you have any other questions, click down below, 24/7 chat support. If you're a VIP client, you're going to have an extra option here with VIP chat support, or rather call support. You can get on a one-on-one call with us if you have like more questions than just, a few quick ones. So yeah, make sure to take advantage of those. And if you don't have any more questions, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.